In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook activity log history. Let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app. Then, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon at the upper right corner. Next, tap the gear icon, also at the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you find your activity section. Under this section, pick Activity Log. Here, you'll see different categories for your activities to help you find things easily. For example, if you want to delete one of your posts, just click the little arrow next to your activity on Facebook. Then, tap the arrow next to Post and choose your post, check-in, photos, or videos. You'll find all your posts here. To delete one, click the three dots beside that post. Then, select Move to Trash and tap Move to Trash again to confirm. If you want to delete all your posts, tick the box next to all of them. After that, tap the Trash option below. To confirm, tap Move to Trash. This might take some time, so just be patient. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.